Hey, it's Hassan. We are back at it, scaling the training academy right in front of you guys. 480x time lapse, digital nomading from the highest point in the Philippines. A small pivot. I will now be narrating the problem I'm working on and showing you. That way you can actually join me for the journey. Currently, I'm building the automated lead acquisition system using email marketing through instantly.ai. Email marketing is the best way to bootstrap a company once you have a viable digital product, especially if you don't have a large social media audience to which you can pitch directly. I learned this from the book Sabi Subri Sell Like Crazy, one of the sharks on Shark Tank. The goal is 4,000 emails per day, targeting tactical project managers, business analysts, business systems analysts, programmers, engineers, and similar professionals who face a 50% job cut reduction per McKinsey due to agentic AI automation. They can pivot to an awesome career in project management consulting via this 4,000-hour accelerator I built that will take them there with speed and competence. So far, I have 8 emails, each with an Academy asset that spans over 15 days, educating prospects and filtering the right ideal buyer. Those 8 emails are now loaded in instantly as the primary sequence. The next step is getting the subsequence set up, which is automated replies when somebody replies with a trigger word. With that in mind, let's get after it.